Hello, everyone. Welcome. Today, we will learn easy English sentences together. Let's begin. I wake up early. I wake up early. I open the window. I open the window.
I take a deep breath.
I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. I fluff the pillow. I fluff the pillow. I move a chair. I move a chair. I dust the table. I dust the table. I hang my clothes. I hang my clothes.
I make my bed. I make my bed.
I pick up my phone. I pick up my phone. I charge my phone.
I
Charge my phone.
pack my bag. I pack my bag.
I put on my glasses. I take off my jacket. I take off my jacket. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I wash my clothes. I wash my clothes. I organize my clothes. I organize my clothes. I sweep the floor. I mop the floor. I mop the floor. I clean the mirror. I clean the mirror. I vacuum the carpet. I vacuum the carpet. I clean the window. I dot clean the window. I organize the books. I water the plants. I water the plants. I take out the trash. I throw the garbage into the trash bin. I throw the garbage into the trash bin. I keep my room clean. I keep my room clean. I turn on the light. I close the window. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I wash my face. I wash my face. I yawn a lot. I yawn a lot. I am feeling sleepy.
I turn off the light. I turn off the light. I cover myself with a blanket. I cover myself with a blanket.
Great job! You learned easy English sentences today. Keep practicing every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!